my name is Parijaa. Today I'm going to holiday. So first thing is holiday of packing. Now I'm going to start my packing. So first I will put my dresses. Now I'm going to put my towel, swimming cap and swimming costume. Now I'm going to put my sunglass and my toothpaste and my toothbrush, add my cream and my hair comb. So I am going to put it in my small bag. Here I put it. Now I have to close it. And I'm going to keep it. And now I'm going to put my slippers. So I'm going to put it. And most important thing is, when we go to holiday, we must carry Aadhaar card or passport or ticket. When we go in India, so we take this Aadhaar card only. When we go in out of India, so we must take this passport. But I can take only Aadhaar card because I am going only in India. Now I am giving all this to my papa. Now I am going to travel. My bag is also packed.